All right, I spent the whole weekend sampling my smokes. Smoked Perfume. Was excited, got them before I went on vacation. Did Hermetica the whole vacation, and then didn't even get to my smokes till I got back. And then spent the whole weekend doing this. This is Night Cloud by Smoke. That's the brand. Unbranded therapeutic fragrance. Thanks for clicking on the video. All natural perfume today. Stay tuned for the review. All right, Smoke Night Cloud. This is one of their newest releases, 2018 Eau de Parfum format. $90, 30 ml, $3 an ml. Notes from perfumer of why it's created at night in New Orleans. The clouds hanging possibly low. The sky glows purple and the air is as electric. It is humid. Notes of lavender, allspice, oakmoss. Sandalwood carry you deep into the night. Designed for everybody in all seasons, using pure essential oils and absolutes. Love the story. I'm all about that. I've been in New Orleans. I get the purple clouds. I get all that. Allspice dominates a deep cider aroma right off the skin, right from the first spray. Baker's cinnamon is present. I'm sure it's the same cinnamon that was in Ritual. Basic EO cinnamon that's available to us all. That would be personally, that'd be one of the last cinnamons I would choose. There's so many great Eastern cinnamons that are available that, again, if you heard me talk about patchouli, same thing, cinnamon, same thing. There's so much more than this. It's not about me, it's about this perfume. It's just like cinnamon sticks you put into baking in your house. That's what it smells like. Feels a bit unblended to me. This could be an ultimate potpourri scent for somebody. If you're into potpourri, it could be like the ultimate potpourri scent. Oakmoss helps, but we need a heavier oakmoss in here to take the sassiness, to take the sassy allspice out. It just stands out way too much. It needs some heavy resins in the backbone to really cut it. It just is too strong of that allspice potpourri, and nothing else has a chance on it. There's a lavender finish, but this again feels like basic essential oils put together at home. That's what the perfume smells like to me. That's where I'm at in my learning. I wouldn't dare put something out. No disrespect. I hope you have a huge following. I'm one guy's opinion. I'm just putting it out there for my audience. She puts herself at that $3 a mark, so and bills herself as perfume. I feel it's a fair critique on the perfume. To me, it's not a perfume. It's a homemaker putting together essential oils. This is the big gap I'm talking about in the market. I've brought this up many times. To go to the next level after this is very expensive. I'm busting my butt off trying to learn compositions and bases. To get the bases, all of a sudden your price, your profits, everything doubles, triples, quadruples, depending. I mean, if you go oud, then all of a sudden it really skies up. You go real ambergris, it really skies up. And it's hard to meet that $3 an ml. But at $3 an ml, you got to have these strong bases and blending. And that's why I brag on the houses that are getting this. And I've highlighted on the channel, it's not the appropriate place to do it, but there's a big gap in between the two in the natural arena. It is hard to go past the oils and everything, get into, they're really not available in the U.S. Good stuff. You have to go to the Eastern market. I spent tons of money going to the Eastern market and putting my nose on so many different things. And I still don't feel comfortable. Like, there's so much to learn. You see me go off on the AJDs, and this is why. It's phenomenal what he has done. And that's where our U.S. natural company, if I find them, believe me, I'll be the first one to push you forward. I don't want you to stop. But once we put ourselves in the perfume arena at this price, you know, we have to judge it, the others against it at this price. There's a reason why, you know, real musk has been used from the beginning. I don't expect nobody in the U.S. to use real musk. I don't even know how to legally obtain it. And I've had so many people tell me not to use it. Don't you dare. You're going to get in trouble. And I'm like, well, it's being sold at these vendors right now in the U.S. How are they getting away with it? But IFRA and all the synthetics that copy musk, there's a reason why that's the ingredients copied. It's what carries and changes these perfumes tops and makes them into something special. Musk is a lesson, ambergris is a lesson, oud's a lesson, even sandalwood past the companies that are available here. They're good. They're really good sandalwoods, but they're nothing compared to Mysore, Australian, and don't even mention vetiver, don't even mention patchouli. The Eastern oils are just, wow, totally different. And I can say from experience, I put my nose on it. I'm not bragging. I'm not trying to push anything but perfumery and brands that are doing it. I've said enough here. I'm going to score this. Again, this is the reason I pay for my samples, because I like to keep my opinion. Scoring, Night Cloud, Smoke. Addictiveness, originality, 8 out of 15. Projection, sillage, 3 out of 5. Longevity, 3 out of 5. Composition, 15 out of 25. Ingredients, price to ml, 15 out of 25. Top, heart, base. Top, 6 out of 10. Heart, 1 out of 5. The base, 2 out of 10. Total score of 53. Needs help, in my opinion. Where do I see people wearing this? Christmas Bazaar. Wherever you put potpourri. It's literally a potpourri bomb. Could be good. I'm sure she makes those, so I'm not trying to. If you love potpourri, go buy it, go get it, sample it for sure. If potpourri is something, especially a natural potpourri is something you wanted to wear, this is it. Nothing bad for you. This is my opinion. I would try it. I described it to my. It smells exactly like potpourri. You should try it if that attracts you. When? October through December. Who do I see wearing this? The local artisan at the bazaar. 3 to 5 sprays for me. All right, guys. Thanks for being here. These reviews aren't the funnest. Keeping it real and raw. Peace out. Be blessed.